गर्म ज़्यादा होती है ठंडा होने देना पहले
क्योंकि इन पे गाड़ी हीट लेती है ना एकदम से बंद नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि पेट्रोल का वही मौसम हो गया राणा जी नरेंद्र ने करवा था
Finally, and we're going to walk inside.
Look at the heaven. So beautiful.
Oh, how beautiful. Look at that. And you can see it over here. So beautiful. Wow. And we are very close to the foothills of the Himalayas.
अच्छा हो गया था
This is paradise.
What do you recommend to someone like me to be better counselors, better life coaches?
Yeah. You see, the Indian wisdom is like as deep as the ocean. We don't know where's the bed. It's so deep, it's so deep. Emotional suffering and the gross suffering is all coming from a layer which is unseen, completely unseen. And probably has relevance not to just this life, but relevance to the eternity of the soul over many lifetime journeys. Something so simply comes to people who are connected with their inner light and who understand that they are not doing but rather channeling something that our higher mentors, guides and our parents, the universal parents, want to channel through us. Such a beautiful thing. This is exactly what God wants from us. Whenever you hear me addressing God, I mean the universe, I mean the Creator. He wants us to drop all conditioning, all the barriers that separate people from people, humans from human. When somebody is suffering, I am suffering because he is a part of me. He's an extension of me. When we become very crystal clear, pure channels of love and light, everything is channeled through us. And that which channels through us is at the right time and the right space and in front of the right person. To be able to work and do really something authentic for him, I should be able to understand me completely. So completely that I understand the other so completely. The flow of energy goes with the mind. The fundamental thought is that prana flows wherever mind is. Prana flows wherever mind is. If there is clarity in the mind, the prana flows with clarity. If there is fragmenting in the mind, the prana is fragmented. When you have intellectual clarity and mental clarity about what's happening with the other person, energy starts flowing from you like a horse pipe. Old grandmas used to do it, and healers and seekers and soothers. In India, it's all about practice. You pick up something and you practice it for years and years and years and years. And that polishes your inside, glitters and gleams. What makes the soul happy is self-inquiry. Self-inquiry and finding your truth.